photo math. Don't
cheating.
cheat. I don't.
Not you cheating. Not me also cheating because I have photo math on my phone.
You have photo math too?
I have photo math. Draco, you have to get out of the frame.
Go down. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jordyn and welcome back to another Jordyn video. So if you guys have seen my Instagram or my community tab, my poll, whatever, you know that I got a new phone. I got a new purple iPhone 12. A lot of you guys said that I should wait for the iPhone 13, but one, I didn't feel like it, and two, I really wanted this purple color because I thought it was so pretty. And I looked up the differences between the 12 and the 13, and I didn't spot any major ones, so I just went with it. And I've also been getting a ton of requests to do a updated what's on my iPhone video, and also what's on my iPhone video for school. So I'm gonna just do that for you guys.
The hair in the hair. I'm gonna remove the hot dog box.
Flick it up or down?
No, off.
Flick it up or down?
Off.
No, because are we liking backwards cap?
It's not a cap, it's a box.
I'm low-key digging it.
No, I'm high-key not digging it.
Oh, let's just jump right into it. So first is my lock screen. I really love my lock screen because it's like a bear shape at the top, if you can see it. It's super cute. I love it a lot. And then it's just like a simple white, and then it just has like purple hearts in the middle. And when you open it, we come to my widgets. So here is like the home screen, like the first page of my phone, and as you can see, it has like, it doesn't look like regular apps and stuff, and that's because I made them look like it through the shortcuts app. I made them look like these little pictures. So my lock screen, or sorry, my screen for this is just a blank white, and then all the little pictures you see for like my apps, like TikTok, Pinterest, those are also just for Pinterest, but they also just have a white background, so it doesn't look like they are in a little square. It just looks like they're the object, which is so cute and cute. I also have some widgets, as you can see. So on like this side, I have a widget that's just like plants and stuff, like flowers. And then if you slide, we got some leaves, which are really cute. And then we have the big one in the middle, and that one just goes from like a plaid, like it looks like a picnic table covering, and then we just have a pretty scenery. And on here I just have Roblox app, TikTok, Pinterest, messages, Snapchat, YouTube, Instagram, photos, mail, Google, Docs, and camera. So that's all for this first page, and I really like this first page. I think it looks super cute. You're not the center of attention. So now we're gonna slide on this way. Wait. Yeah, we're gonna slide. That's all. I don't know which way. We're gonna slide, and over here I have like some other apps and stuff because I just needed space. And I have my clock app, my calendar, just App Store. Face is like Face app, and the Face app is super cool because you can like change people's like genders, like see what they look like as an opposite gender, or see what they look like when they're old, see what they look like with a beard. It's pretty cool. Not sponsored, but yeah, it's pretty cool. All it does is like, it takes so long to load. For what? It takes forever to load. Then we have Shein and Amazon. I call it Amazook. But I love this pair because it looks like a fairy wings. Like you can see that it looks like fairy wings, but they aren't fairy wings. Well, they are, but like they connect. Like they're separate apps, but like they connect and make them look like a full set of wings. Isn't that cool? I thought I was so creative for that. And then we have the widgets, and again, these widgets switch depending on my mood. And we have woods, and then another pretty scenery. Then we have like a butterfly in the forest, and then another forest scenery. So on this side is just, again, more apps and stuff, but this side is super cute because of my widgets. Again, I did like the fairy wing thing where like they're two separate wings but they connect. So it has those as the widgets, and then these widgets also switch to different things, just woods and stuff. As you can see, I kind of had like a vibe going on through my phone. I kind of wanted to be like cottage, nature things like that. I thought it was super cute. On this side, on this like screen, I have Notes app, my calculator, photo math. Don't cheat. I don't.
Not you cheating. Not me also cheating because I have photo math on my phone.
You have photo math too?
I have photo math.
I have photo math too.
But you're not allowed. Delete. Right now on camera.
Delete on camera?
Don't
It been deleted.
Proof.
It been deleted. I have Prequel and the Weather app and CapCut. CapCut. It's like an editing app. I make like random things on there. Not really important. But yeah, and it's a piece of burnt toast. Every time anybody sees my phone, they're like, is that a piece of burnt toast? Yeah, it is. And it looks good. So what about it? And then we have Classroom app, which I don't even use anymore. And I use Canvas now, which sucks. I hate Canvas so much. Slides, Draw. I'm pretty sure Draw is just a drawing app. That would make sense. I low-key forgot what Draw was. Oops. And when we slide to the right, we have like... Slide to the right.
To the right. Sorry.
And when we slide to the right, we just have like apps in my phone that don't have a category on this area, like don't have their own little picture icon. And I'm not gonna lie, I don't use the picture icons to find stuff that often. I usually just use the picture icons for Pinterest, TikTok, and like YouTube, but that's really literally it. But then when we slide over here, we have Crossy Road. I love Crossy Road so much. Crossy Road is so fun. I played it in school sometimes, but I'm low-key good at it. Like, look. Okay, never mind. Just got hit by a car. Then we have Spotify. Should I show y'all my playlist? Yeah, let me show y'all. So first, for my playlist is called Bestest Songs Ever, and that's the picture. It's a little weird. Sorry. But we have a bunch of songs on here. So we have Empire State of Mind, Foolish Girl by Destiny Child. We got Alicia Keys. We got Brandy. We got Keisha, Missy Elliott, Little Kim, Snoop Dogg, Double G. This is Lauryn Hill. We got Kanye West. She don't like Kanye. She don't like Kanye. Mariah Carey. We got Usher. Jay-Z.
He's my fave.
My mom loves Jay-Z. Oh, and then we have the sneakers app and like Foot Locker and all that stuff. So you can get shoes or whatever. So you can pull them.
You could take L's left and right.
But we never pull them. I wanted these shoes so bad, guys. I wanted them so bad. I didn't get them. We had so many accounts. But you know who got them? My own father. My own father.
Such betrayal.
That was such betrayal. I felt so betrayed. And he said, I'm not going to trade them for you. And I was like, dang.
Yeah, what the heck?
Because he didn't even like make it known. Like,
he didn't tell because he knew.
He knew what he was doing was wrong. That was like my whole phone tour. I'm sorry that it's like not a lot because I had this phone for about 2 weeks, I would say. 2 or 3 weeks. I think 2 weeks. And I will like update it once I have like more apps and it's like more personalized or whatever. Like I have more stuff to show you guys. But I just got this phone, so I haven't really like re-downloaded like all of my apps yet and stuff. But I think it's super cute right now, and if you guys want to know how I like did my widgets and my apps, just let me know and I'll make a video on that. And also, I get a lot of questions like, how do you, what apps do you use to edit your Instagram photos? I did do a video on that, but it's kind of old. So if you guys like want me to redo the video, I'll let you guys know that too. Like, let me know that too, so I can do it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do all that fun stuff. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Love you. Woo!